this New Year.
This is my first trailer movie after compared to my other previous movie. And in this film, The Hostel, I play role as the guardian of the hostel, which is I was killed in 1916. And every year, I need sacrifice, and the next sacrifice would be chosen. Simple. Just enjoy the movie.
Can I help you?
When the director, Mr. Abid, approached me for this movie, I was very excited because I've never acted such roles before. In my previous movies, I only act the part of the part where I have to be brave, and I also have to act in part where I have to do action and stuff. But in this movie, this is actually a new genre for me because I've never acted in horror movies before. And then besides that, I also have to act out the cowardly part. So I immediately agree to playing this role because I find it very challenging. Then Mr. Abid has also created a very good storyline, which I believe many people can relate to, because almost everyone has, heard ghost stories or encountered any ghostly experience in their life before, and then this story can actually relate to everyone. So besides that, the setting, I believe the setting of the place is also very surreal because Mr. Abid has chosen the perfect location to shoot the movie, where he chose a really suitable buildings, and the settings are very real. So you guys can really feel the experience of the movie. So I believe you guys should watch the movie, catch it in the cinemas.
Alright, this movie, the movie of Hostel, play as Ash, a university student that go with his friends, Lawin, to an isolated place, I consider. They will be staying in the hostel, and a lot of strange and creepy things happen. Ash is quite a brave character, I consider. He's never scared of ghosts, and he can strike back. He's trying really hard to convince Lawin that the hostel is safe. Yeah, I think that this is quite an interesting movie. If you have chance, you got to watch it.
Only in cinemas. The Hostel.
You guys should watch the movie.